Slavery. Alright, let's talk about slavery. And I know what you're thinking. But slavery is bad. No, not always. Might I also add that everyone is a slave, whether you like it or not. But let me explain it so that you might understand. You see, to me, slavery involves a relationship between master and slave. And the master is always placed on a pedestal, and the slave does as the master says. But no one becomes enslaved randomly. You see, slavery is a choice. You see, you can choose to fight the master, or you can become enslaved to it. But slavery can be both good and bad. It depends on how the slave views the master and how the master views the slave. Let's take relationships for instance. If one person is put up on a pedestal, then they become the master. This is why so many men just blindly follow their women, because she's placed on a pedestal, and when she sees herself in that position and you no longer to be her equal, then she becomes the master and you're enslaved to it, and so you become enslaved to her. But this also happens the other way around, where women place their men on a pedestal and then become enslaved to them. And in the world we have both masters and slaves, kind of like leaders and followers. Not everyone's meant to be a leader and not everyone's meant to be a follower. To be a slave means you have to value others more than yourself. To be a master doesn't mean you have to master other people. It means you first have to master yourself. Don't focus on the destination. Instead, focus on the path. Ideally, everyone in the world would be a master. But unfortunately, the world consists of both light and darkness. But when you think of slavery, you only think of one interpretation, the one you've been taught. But expand your mind and you will see that there's different scopes to life. There is a scope of the individual which needs to be fixed first. Make no mistake, I'm doing what your leadership was meant to do, but they've abandoned you, so I'm here to lend a helping hand. Peace!